Soy Culinary Competition Season 2, Day 1.
Welcoming all of you in this absolutely incredible USSEC IIHM partnership program. We have started it during last year, and I think we've been we did in Hyderabad and Bangalore, and now we are doing in our IIHM Global Campus in Calcutta. So it's such a great moment of pride for me, and also for all the students. I think the opportunities which they will be getting to showcase their culinary talent.
And Chef Park has been working together on arranging all the samples so that you can take it forward and come up with the new ways of innovating soy into various dishes.
A great initiative by USSEC, Soya and IIHM. There was a fantastic competition of online where many students participated and they were able to see the kind of food products they are doing. And now it's offline.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And it's all the more special because it is being tried at IIHM by the students who themselves are new to the course as a curriculum, and they are handling the protein of soya. So this is very special for students handling soya protein here at IIHM.
Hi, what's your name? So basically my recipe is chili soy Manchurian. I have made the soy Manchurian crispy by adding white pepper, black pepper, cornstarch, soy chunks.
Since these soya products, soya meals are in trend now, it is considered as very healthy, and nowadays veganism is in trend. So IIHM always take one step ahead in promoting all those things which are in trend and which are healthy. So basically what I saw today, I judged the Indian presentation of this main meal. So I was very happy to see the variety of things they have made. Actually they were given 6 to 7 soya products, out of which they had to select 2-3 products and make their dish of their own. So they have applied their techniques, they have applied their knowledge, and they have tried to be very creative also.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.